Volkswagen revealed its stylish electric sedan, the ID.7, at this year's LA Auto Show. As Volkswagen phases out models like the Passat, the ID.7 sedan signals the brand's transition to an all-electric lineup over the next decade. Riding on Volkswagen's dedicated MEB electric platform, the ID.7 promises both efficiency and practicality with ample space for people and gear. Based on the ID Aero concept first shown in 2021, the production ID.7 ditches the show car's flashy paint for more subdued hues, but the sculpted lines and coupe-like roofline remain, tapering to an integrated spoiler above the camback-style tail. At 195.3 inches long and riding on a 117-inch wheelbase, the midsize ID.7 competes with EVs like the Tesla Model 3 and Hyundai Ioniq 6 on size. At launch, rear-wheel drive and 282 horsepower are standard from a rear-mounted permanent magnet motor. A dual-motor all-wheel drive variant follows soon after, likely matching the 302 horsepower ID.5 GTX crossover. Expect brisk acceleration on par with entry-level Tesla Model 3 and BMW i4 variants. The ID.7 should manage the 0 to 60 miles per hour run in around 6 seconds in standard guise. Under the skin lies a 77 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, enabling an estimated 300 miles of range on the generous European WLTP testing cycle. On the stricter EPA cycle, that figure may land closer to 275 miles. Recharging from 5 to 80% via 170 kilowatts DC fast charging can take as little as 36 minutes. At 11 kilowatt from an onboard charger or level 2 EVSE, a full charge takes less than 8 hours. With sleek styling optimized for aerodynamic efficiency, the ID.7 achieves an ultra-low drag coefficient of 0.23. Volkswagen claims this contributes directly to the sedan's range capabilities. Intricate wheel designs with special covers over the rear wheels further improve aero. Meanwhile, the underbody conceals most mechanical components, with short overhangs front and rear putting the wheels out at the corners for balanced handling. Riding on a multi-link rear and strut front suspension, early driving impressions suggest agile, secure handling for a large EV. Adaptive dampers will feature on certain models, allowing drivers to tailor the ride and handling balance via selectable drive modes. The ID.7 uses a variable ratio steering rack, lightened by the electric power assist, but while accurate at speed, the helm could use more feel and feedback according to some reviews. The ID.7 packs interior space rivaling mid-size combustion sedans, with streaming lines and open sight lines enhancing the airy feel. Designers incorporated sustainably sourced materials throughout, like animal-free leatherette and microfiber cloth made from old fishing nets and fabric scraps. The minimalist dash houses touch sliders and haptic controls alongside a standard 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless connectivity. A Tesla-like panoramic glass roof floods the ID.7's cabin with light. It can switch between transparent and opaque modes at the touch of a button. The power tailgate leads to an SUV-like 19 cubic feet of cargo space, expanding to 56 cubes with the 60-40 split rear seatbacks folded. That's far more than the Model 3 sedan. On sale in China first later this year, the global ID.7 debut follows in early 2024. Volkswagen should announce pricing closer to launch, but expect a base price around $50,000, giving the EV immediate eligibility for the $7,500 federal tax credit. The ID.7 heralds Volkswagen's electric future, proving EVs need not be boring appliances. With up to 300 miles of range, the ID.7 appears poised to compete for the expanding midsize family sedan segment as brands move en masse toward electric mobility. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.